everyone, I am back today with another activity for you. What you're going to need is Play-Doh and this bag right here. Inside this bag, you are going to have 8 pipe cleaners. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And in that bag, you will also have some googly eyes. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a spider out of Play-Doh. So you can pick your Play-Doh. I chose pink because pink is my favorite color. And I'm going to roll it up just into a little ball like this. Kind of looks like a rock. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my legs in the side like this. If you want, you can even, just like we made our other spider, you can bend the legs. So you have some fun legs. So I'm going to do that to all of them. Or you can leave them straight, whichever one you want. It's your spider, so you can make it however you like. I don't really like spiders, but I do like this spider because it is my favorite color and it doesn't move. So I would love to see the type of spider you guys make with your Play-Doh. So let's do these last two. Who can remember how many legs a spider has? A spider, let's see how many legs we have. Ready? Let's count them. A spider has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my other leg fell off. 8. 8 legs. So this is my spider with its crazy legs. I'm going to push these pipe cleaners in a little bit more so they don't fall out. And then I'm going to get my googly eyes and I'm going to put them right there. So now I have a pink spider with green legs, with 8 green legs and some googly eyes. And if you want, you can even make a smile on your spider. See how silly my spider looks? This is the only spider I like. So if you can make a spider with your Play-Doh and send me a picture, I would love to see it. I hope to see it from you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye.